Speaking of Git, today in the OverTheWire Bandit 29, we will see how to use branches to get the next level password. Let's access the documents directory. Let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and copy the bandit29 password. Then save and quit. Clear the screen. Let's access a temporary directory, mktemp-d, enter, and we're inside. Let's use git clone ssh://bandit29-git at bandit.labs.over-the-wire.org:2020/home/bandit29-git/repo, and let's enter. Paste the password and we have received some stuff. Just clear the screen. Now that we have copied the repository, we can use the ls command and we can see that we have a repo folder that we can access with the change command, and we have a readme.md file. So let's use cat readme.md file, and here it says bandit30, no passwords in production. In production suggests that maybe there is another branch or something else that is not in production, but it's still saved. And if you have a little bit of experience with Git, you know that Git has branches. So how do we check on them? Let's clear the screen and let's use git log just to check if there is anything suspicious. And seems nothing in here. So let's use q to quit. So now let's check for branches. So let's use git branch-a for all and let's enter. And here it says that we are currently at the master branch, but there is another called dev, one called master, and one called exploits dev or whatever. Let's try to switch to the dev one. So let's use q to quit and let's use git check out and the name of the branch we want to visit. In this case, the dev. Let's enter. And it says that branch dev set up to track origin dev. So we have changed the branch. Let's use ls and we have a code folder now and also a readme file. So let's check the readme file as the first thing. And here we have the bandit30 password. Just copy it, clear the screen. Now let's access the documents directory and let's edit the bandits.md file. Let's go to the end and add the new user, bandit30. Paste the password and save and quit. Remember that in the description of the video you can find the full documentation of the OverTheWire Bandit series. If the video was interesting, consider a like, a comment or a follow. See ya!